Question number 37. Integration of x cube sine of tan inverse x to the power 4 upon 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. We can let x to the power 4 as t. Let x to the power 4 as t. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get 4x cube dx. Now, on integrating, x cube dx can be written as dt by 4 sine tan inverse t upon 1 plus, now x to the power 8. It can be written as x to the power 4 whole square, so means it can be written as t square dt. Now again we have to make a substitution. Let tan inverse t be y. Now again differentiating with respect to t here, so dy will become 1 plus t square dt. Now here we will get 1 by 4 as it is. Sine inverse tan inverse t is y, so it is sine, so sine y upon dt upon 1 plus t square, this becomes y, so upon 1 dy. Integrating this, we will get 1 upon 4. Integration of sine y is minus cos y, so minus cos y, which will give us minus 1 by 4 cos of tan inverse t. Now again cos of tan inverse t we substituted as x to the power 4, so tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. Question number 38. Integration of the MCQ type question. 10 to the power 10 into x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x log of base e to the power 10 upon x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x dx. Here what we can do is integration of 10x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x. It can be written as log 10 upon log e, so log e is 1 already, so log 10 upon x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x dx. Now let x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x as t. Differentiating with respect to x, dt is equal to, differentiation of x to the power 10 will be 10x 9 plus differentiation of 10 to the power x will be 10 to the power x log 10. Because we know that whenever there is a constant in the base and there is a variable in the power, so since differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a, this is the formula which we have used here with 10 to the power x dx. So now here simply putting the value 1 upon t dt, which is log of t log of x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x plus c. So answer number D is correct. Question number 39. Integration of 1 upon sine square x cos square x dx. We will multiply and divide by cos square x. So integration of cos square x sine square x cos square x upon cos square x. In the denominator only we are multiplying and dividing by cos square x dx. Now this cos square x and this cos square x becomes cos to the power 4x. When we will take it in the numerator, it will become secant 4x upon, and this sin square x upon cos square x will become tan square x dx. Also, this can be further divided as secant square x into the other secant square x. We can write 1 plus tan square x upon tan square x dx. Now let tan x as t, dt will become secant square x dx, which means 1 plus t square upon t square dt. We can write it as integration of 1 upon t square plus 1 dt, which can be further integrated to t to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, plus integration of 1 will be t, which gives minus 1 upon t plus t, which is equal to minus 1 upon tan x plus c. Further, it can be written as tan x, 1 upon tan x can be written as cot x, so minus cot x plus c. The number B is correct here.